and 16 seconds kufikela ku 21 hours 42 seconds 42 minutes and 25 seconds benilibele nishayela ku NW of Krugersdorp.
It's actually up to 21:42:55. Is that correct?
Yeah, 21:42:55.
I confirm we were still driving on the same NW of Krugersdorp through to 21:42 of 55. Uthi ngempela uyavuma ukuthi nishayele kuleyo ndlela kufikela ngo isikhathi uma sithi 21:42 of 55 seconds nilibele nilapho kumgwaqo iNW yeKrugersdorp.
Omega 21:44:15 seconds near R565 Road, Rustenburg Rural.
And at 21:44 and 15 seconds, we were now driving near R565 Road in Rustenburg Rural. Ite iskatuma city 21 hours 44 minutes nama seconds I-15 bengade nishayela ku R565 ku mgwaqo uRustenburg.
Yes, and the next stretch of road up to the bottom of the page, and the next page up to the 6th entry from the top. It's the same stretch of road. You can just deal with them all at once.
Bare go tlogella mo re yang gona ga ni jwale nakong yela go fitlhelleng ka paging e latelang ke tsela e tee go fitlhella mo eleng gore lena le ka tla e bolela e tlhakane jwalo ka ga ile le tselang ye tee.
Sa lo tšatši le go tloga ka 21:46:45 seconds go fihla ka 22:21:25 seconds where se pela NW Krugersdorp Road.
Between 21:46 and 45 seconds through to 22:26 and 25 seconds, we were driving on NW of Krugersdorp. Uthi-ke umshushisi hlanganisa ke indlela ngoba uma uzibiza kancane kancane kuyindlela eyodwa uyibiza ngemizuzwana yakhona ithatha isikhathi ihlanganise. Uthi kusukela ngo 21:46 na 45 seconds ukuyofika ku 22:21 and 25 seconds benilibele niqhubeka nishayela ku NW of Krugersdorp.
Go tloga ka 22:26:25 seconds where se pela ka Mopani Street Freedom Park Rustenburg go fihla re lo ema ka 22:33:41 seconds near Buyaqhubeka Street Freedom Park Rustenburg Rural.
From 22 hours and 26 minutes and 25 seconds, we were driving on Mopani Street Freedom Park at Rustenburg Rural, right through till we stopped the ignition at 22:33 and 41 seconds near Buyaqhubeka Street Freedom Park in Rustenburg Rural. Uthi-ke niye nashayela kumgwaqo Mopani Street Freedom Park Rustenburg isikhathi sona sasikade ku 22 hours 26 minutes and 25 seconds ukuyofika kuze kucinywa imoto uma sisenifika ku Buyaqhubeka umgwaqo wakhona eFreedom Park eRustenburg isikhathi sona beku 33 minutes after 10 ebusuku.
Do you remember why the engine had to be switched off?
Le sa gopola gore go baneng le ile la tima koloi?
Ke mo go dula Sandile Ntanzi.
That is where Sandile Ntanzi was residing.
Yes.
Le ka tswela pele.
Omega ga ibe le re lo nyaka hudi. Le ra tsena umme ra secha kana go re tlokela ya di kulu tsa R5.
And that is where, as we wanted to go search for the hoodie, we went in, and that is where we found the bullets for the R5. Uthi-ke usakhumbula ukuthi imoto nayicimelane uthi kula uNtanzi ahlala khona futhi kula besihamba sithi siyofuna leya hoodie leyana kula ithema safunana nayo ihudi leyo kula sathola inhlamvu ze R5.
But did you proceed straight to where the accused was staying, or what was the position?
Lilela ya mo molatofatšwa a be a dula gona go ba go diragetšeng.
No, ka tšatši le go gopola re le straight omme Sergeant Bibi Mogola le Cadet Ginda ba fihle police station ba gopela maphodisa a go tla rena re le straight.
On that day, when I recall very well, we proceeded straight, and Sergeant B.B. Mogola and Brigadier Gininda went to the police station and sought for backup from other police officers. However, we went straight. Utige niye nayenza njani niqhubeke naya la bekahlala khona uNtanzi noma niye nayenza njani uthi mina ngiyakhumbula siye mina ngiyengaqhubeka ngaya khona lapho kodwa iphoyisa uBB Mogola no Colonel Gininda baye baqhubeka baya epolice station bayocela usizo lwamanye amaphoyisa.
Yes.
Leka tswela pele.
Omme re ile ra ba emela.
We waited for them. Uthi balinda ke balindela babanye amaphoyisa.
Omme re ile ra drive gape just around 23. Yeah, really re fetša go searcha mo and then ra police station ka re tlhoma ka 23:05.
And we proceeded searching, and after searching, that's when we drove to the police station, and the time was 23:05 and 55 seconds on the same day of the 19th of June 2020. Utige bona baye baqhubeka ke ba khuthuza laphayana endlini kuwe Ntanzi la ukuthi ngemva kwalokho baye baqhubeka baya esiphoyiseni isikhathi bese sesithi 23:05 and 55 seconds ngalo lelo langa le 19 zika June ku 2020.
Omme re ile ra sepela gape ka Straatzaal ke Bouwbouw Street Freedom Park ka 23:05:55 o fihlela ka 23:06 and then 23:06:55 ra tsena ka Mopani Street.
We proceeded driving on Buyaqhubeka Street in Freedom Park in Rustenburg Rural at 23:05 through to 23:06 and 40 seconds, where we went into Mopani Street.
Omme gape ka 23:08:25 seconds re sa sepela Mopani Street Freedom Park.
And at 23:08, we were still driving on Mopani Street in Freedom Park.
From
23:08:25 sase sahamba khona ke Mopane.
From 23:13 to 23:13:25 to the bottom of the page appears to be the same stretch of road. You can just deal with them all at once.
Le ka itlhaka ntšhaela ya go tloga go 23:13:25 go ya mo e leng gore re feletša gona.
Yes, 23:13:25 re sepela ka NW Kruger stop go fihlela ka 23:26:52 seconds e ke tima re tsena police station ya Phuteng.
Between 23:13 and 25 seconds, we were driving on NW of Krugersdorp through till 23 hours and 26 minutes and 52 seconds when I went into the police station yard and turned off the ignition, my lord, on the 19th of June 2020. Yes.
23:13:25 uzofika khona lapha eNzansi 23:26 ama-second awu 52 ngihamba ngawo ke loya mgwaqo loyana u-82 24 okay noma u-NW laseKrugersdorp ngaze ngayothisha-ke imoto khona laphayana eKrugersdorp.
Omme re ile ra mo processa ra mo bula case package the exhibits in chat 18. From there, sepala le ena gape ra tla le ena Joburg.
We proceeded, my lord, and processed those exhibits and opened a case, placed them on the SAP 13, and we came back with the accused to Johannesburg.
La sesiqale khona-ke ukwenza khona-ke umsebenzi-ke la ekusetshenzwa lamaphepha noke make ama-documents futhi-ke leyo mbukiso leyo-ke nayo-ke esase sibhala-ke futhi siyifaka kwi-SAP 13 sase sibuya naye-ke umsolwa siza eGoli.
Yes, if you can maybe just refer to exhibit PP1 and PP2.
Re le kaya go botlhatsi ba PP1 le PP2.
PP1 is the entry, occurrence book entry, and exhibit PP2 is the cell register. that we've already referred to.
PP1 ke mola mo ileng gore le be le ngwala gona go OB. And advocate, can you please pass it to me as I do not have it in my possession?
Yes, monthly serial number 294, Bongani Sandy Sontanzi.
Yes, it shows the monthly serial number, and the serial number was 294, Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Ikhona-ke inamba elana-ke bathi-ke i-serial number eku-294 baliwe-ke Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Iboncha Mingwanga.
And it shows his age.
Bonisa-ke neminyaka yakhe, nomtshengisa-ke iminyaka yakhe.
Iboncha uri ke monna.
He is a male. It shows his gender.
Nalili chachi lo kgwedi 1906.
It shows the day and the month, which was the 19th of June.
Isetshenisa-ke nosuku-ke noma-ke i-date ukuthi kwakuyi-19 zika-June.
Date of arrest 2245.
And the date of arrest to date.
Date of arrest, time of arrest, sorry.
The time of arrest, my lord, not the date. The time was 22 hours 45 minutes.
Itshengisake nesikhathi sokuboshwa kwakhe nesikhathi aboshwa ngaso-ke kwaku-22:45.
Iboncha offensive possession of unlicensed ammunition.
And the type of offense which he was arrested for was possession of unlicensed ammunition.
Nokuthi-ke kwakuyini icala aliboshelwe ukuthi ukutholakala-ke eney'nhlamvu ey'ngekho emthethweni.
Then eventual case number 118/06/2020.
And the case number it was 118/06/2020.
Isitshengisake nenamba-ke yecala leyo eku-118/06/2020.
Uma iboncha le ditokelo tsa gagwe tsa go swariwa.
And it shows as well his rights as he was arrested.
Bese kutshengisake namalungelo akhe nanjengomuntu owayeboshiwe.
Notice of rights number.
It shows as well the notice of rights number.
Kanye-ke nenamba yawo-ke ama-notice awo ama-right noma amalungelo.
S094.
The notice of rights number it's S094
7284.
7284, my lord.
Futhi-ke leyo number leyo S0947284.
I just want to refer to exhibit LL.
Ba re ba kgopela go lefa botlhatsi bo ba LL.
Just identify that once again.
Nke le re botsa
It's
gore
already on
keng
record.
yona is tše e le gore e ile ya balwa e fela lena nke le re botsa gape gore keng.
Ke notice of rights in terms of the constitution.
It is a notice of rights in terms of the constitution.
Na leli phepha-ke engilinikwayo-ke manje ilona-ke leli-ke elinamalungelo.
Bogodimo serial number is 09477284.
On top it reflects a serial number which reflected as 094724.
Laphayana phezulu ke kubhalwe ke le number ke bathi serial number mabeyibiza eku S0947284.
Ome engwe ke gore reason or you are detained for the following reason.
And it reflects that the person is being detained for the following reasons.
Tshengisa ke ukuthi umuntu uvalelwe ngenxa yalezathu esilandelayo.
Ome yangwala possession of unlicensed ammunition.
It reflects that the person was detained for the possession of unlicensed ammunition.
Nokuthi wayeboshelwe ke ukuthi etholakala nezinhlamvu ngokungekho emthethweni.
Ome enal ihlalosa ditokelo tsa gagwe tsa go swariwa.
And it explains all the rights as the person was arrested.
Ibise ichaza ke onke amalungelo akhe ke nanjengomuntu oyiboshiwe.
Ome mofasi ir certificate by detainee.
Underneath it says the certificate by the detainee.
Yes, you've already placed it on record.
Okay.
Bariewe bestele badile.
And what is the time of arrest?
Nako ebel nako ma.
22:45. Date 22 of 6/19, 22:45.
It was on the date of the 19th of June 2020 at 22:45 p.m.
Langa ke kwakuyi 19th ka June 2020 isikhathi 22:45 ntambama manje.
Ome engwe tse Phokeng.
It also
Place.
reflects that the place was where the document was completed was Phokeng.
Ibhaliwe ke nendawo lana ke iform lena ke eyabhalwa khona ke kwakusePhukeng.
Yangwala signature, there is stamp print of detainee is Danzu signile.
It also shows that there is a place where a detainee is supposed to sign, and Ntanzi signed, my lord.
Yabe kunendawo ke lana ekufanele lona ke oboshiwe ke ukuthi asayinde khona ke uNtanzi ke wasayinda lapho.
Ome signature of a person who informed the detainee was signed.
And the signature of a person who informed the detainee, I myself signed.
Bese kuba indawo ke la umuntu lona owatshela ke lona oboshiwe ila kwasekusayinda mina khona ke.
As a court, please, my lord, it's almost time for the short adjournment. We've asked that the movement report ends at 23:26:52. We ask that the rest of the report be obtained. It has since been obtained. We'll just hand it up as part of Exhibit MM2, pages 44 up to 49. We can take the normal short agenda.